I'm going to pretend to be a scammer. Yeah? And here we're going to be my reaction. Because the ball is a talk about, oh, I want a scammer call me one day. So I'm going to see what going to be my reaction, alright? I'm going to call him. What me get him? I'm a flow chip, digital chip, man. Hi, good afternoon. Is this I'm calling from Florida. You have won 1.5 million US dollars. You have won 1.5 million US dollars.
Yay!
Congratulations! Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited for you too.
Okay.
But there's just one small thing that you'd have to do to get your winnings.
Yeah.
Okay. So you would have to send me $100,000
Okay.
so that I could process it for you.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just simple. That won't even budge you.
Oh my. So you know the other question I'm gonna ask you?
Sure, go ahead.
So you don't think it's out of that 1.5 million?
No, because that 1.5 million is for you. For you to clear that money, you have to send in $100,000 processing fee.
Oh, okay. Well, guess what?
Mm-hmm.
I'm part of this team, so it makes sense.
You're part of what?
I don't, only come by winning 1.5 million.
You've bought the lottery, haven't you?
Me no buy lottery, me no gamble for the wrong team you talk to.
I don't think. Oh, maybe you're around someone who you don't want to hear that you won. Oh, the one wants to check your credit. All of your credit gone.
Mr. Roach, why did you hang up?
Yo.
Hi, Mr. Roach.
Yeah.
Why did you hang up?
Because I don't buy lottery.
You haven't?
No, I gamble.
Okay, so I have one more small thing to tell you.
Yeah.
It's a prank, I can. I can. It's a prank. Yes.
Move your post it, me. I think you win $1 million. Move up.
They said, Mommy, save me.
Yeah.
Alright, Rog. Alright, Rog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, I hear more than no gamble.